What's going on, everybody? Jeremy here with Accudraft Paint Booths, and today we are in Stephenville, Texas, about 2 hours south of Dallas, checking out Justin's Collision Center and their brand new Italia booth. Check this thing out. Now, Justin's Collision Center is a non-DRP, non-aftermarket, strict OE parts collision center, and he believes strictly in taking care of his customers. Now, part of that is whenever he's buying tooling and equipment for his shop, he wants to be able to have something that's going to last. It's something that he can depend on. He heard about the reputation of the Accudraft Italia, and that's what he wanted whenever he went to expand his shop here. If you're looking for something that's going to last you for a number of years, try out the Italia. Reach out to Accudraft today.